Hey, Matt here with 911 Arm Bring a Trailer Avant-Garde. We have the 66 GT350 Mustang Shelby that's really cool. I want to talk about it here in a minute. First of all, it's red. Most of the Shelby GT350 is white, as we all know, or you have the black and gold hertz. This is a red one. Pretty cool and makes it very rare. Other really cool thing about this car, it is a matching number engine and chassis and the transmission. We have the Shelby registry report. We've pulled up the tag underneath the apron here and inspected it to the engine and the tag. It is all absolutely correct. The car is really well documented. This car is sold by Marv Trunk and Ford here in Portland. It's been in Portland its whole life. It has undergone a restoration, but they've done everything as possibly can to keep the original parts, everything, down to the air cleaner. They just had it re-chromed. Let's open up the hood. You can see a really well detailed, perfect engine bay. Correct valve covers, correct hoses down to the correct hose stampings, the washer tank, the correct D-spec shocks, date coded radiator, the balancer, just all the little parts on this car that make a Shelby special are here. I'm told the carburetor is the correct one, but it was replaced at some time. But everything else we can tell is really just the right parts. Bumpers are the originals; they were re-chromed as well. We got the auto light, modern battery, but it looks like the vintage one. Correct modern, I'm sorry, not modern, alternator on it as well. Just all the little details. This thing was really restored by a specialist. The BBS Shelby, the honeycomb Shelby wheels with brand new BFGs on it that we just put on it. Opening up into the door, you can see it's all right. Carroll Shelby sign dash, glove box door, correct steering wheel. The 66s are the ones that have the quarter glasses as opposed to 65s, so the vents like a Mustang. 66s also have the brake scoops here, and it's all correct. We looked it up there. I just posted a bunch of pictures to show where the brake duct's coming through. It also has the overrider traction bars in the rear. Come around in the back, looking up in the body and everything, it looks like all the panels are correct. I believe the quarter panels are correct. But just coming around, the paint is really nice. You can barely feel a line for the stripes because it's all been cleared. But coming around the side, open up, the doors open nice, really close. I mean, that's just really nice on these cars. 4-speed top loader, aluminum gearbox. That is rare to still find because the aluminum ones, while they are the cool bitchin' part, they weren't as strong as the steel ones, so a lot of them got swapped out. But so to have the original gearbox is pretty a neat thing on it. This is a great restoration of a local 66 Shelby. I mean, these are just some of the neatest cars there is. If you've ever driven one, you know how special you are. If you don't, they're just so much different than a regular Mustang. Just from the ride, the feel, just all the little special bits. These are real automotive history and very, very, very iconic, and always will be collectible. I'd love to have this car in my garage. If you're interested in the car, use the contact seller button. If you want a shipping quote, we're happy to get that as well. If you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, hit us up too on the contact seller button. We'll be glad to help you out. But this is one to get. Thank you.